I'm going to show you how to get the absolute best results with AXO's Age-Defying Under-Eye Serum. This product will leave you wrinkle-free in 2 to 3 minutes, and it's very easy to use. If you've already purchased AXO, then I recommend you grab your product so you can follow along step by step. Start off by making sure your face is clean and ready for application. If you're by a sink, wash your face with warm water and dry. If not, use a wet wipe to remove any excess oils or makeup. If you plan to use a moisturizer or sunscreen, now is the time to apply it. You'll want to wait at least 10 to 15 minutes for that product to completely dry before applying AXO. Now take your AXO tube and gently squeeze a small pea-sized amount on your finger. We'll use this amount for one eye. Gently pat a thin layer, spreading it evenly across your entire under-eye area, fully covering your under-eye bags and wrinkles. AXO works as it dries, so it's important to leave the product wet on your skin. If your product is already drying, then you didn't use enough and need to apply a little bit more. If this is your first time using AXO, then only apply to one eye so you can compare and see the incredible difference it makes. Now, place the cap back on your tube to prevent it from drying out and remain expressionless for the next 2 to 3 minutes. While we're waiting, let me share some easy tips and recommendations with you. First, AXO lasts up to 12 hours and only needs to be applied when you need it most, such as before going to work, going out with friends, or date nights. Each tube contains approximately 40 applications, which includes both eyes, so you really get a lot of use out of just one tube. Second, AXO is water soluble, so after you use AXO, do not apply any moisturizer, sunscreen, or wet cosmetic products. Excessive sweating, oily skin, and humidity may also reduce its effectiveness. If you want to wear makeup, only apply dry cosmetic products once AXO has completely dried. Lastly, AXO is designed specifically for your under-eye area. Applying it elsewhere won't give you the same incredible results and is not recommended. We have a few minutes left, so let's speed up the clock. If you're following along, simply pause this video and come back shortly. You should see visible results in 2 to 3 minutes and best results in 10 minutes when fully dry. Welcome back if you are following along. Now let's see your amazing results. You should notice the wrinkles under your eyes are significantly less pronounced and those puffy bags have been drastically reduced. Your skin should feel tighter, smoother, and make you look years younger. AXO is an amazing product and these results are repeatable every time you use it. We hope you truly enjoy the benefits of AXO, but if you experienced any issues, then let me share with you some quick, helpful tips. If you don't see the results you expected, try again next time using twice as much. This is the most common reason people don't see results right away. So don't be afraid to use a bit more. Before applying again, fully rinse off the previous application and apply to fresh, clean skin. If you experienced any chalkiness or residue, then try using a bit less next time and be cognizant that you are only applying to your under-eye area. If you extend the product too far down your cheek or side of the nose, residue can occur. To remove excess residue, use a damp cloth and gently dab the affected area. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us, and a specialist will be happy to help you achieve the best results possible. Thank you for choosing AXO, where aging is optional.